Make boiled mayonnaise. Homemade mayonnaise is one of the most delicious things that you can have for your dressing. There is plenty of mayonnaise that is readily available in the market. These, however, do not have the spice and tang that homemade recipes have. Apart from the distinct taste, homemade mayonnaise is also fresh and does not use preservatives. You can also add as much garnishing and seasoning as you want, depending on your taste. One of the classic variants of mayonnaise is boiled mayonnaise. Perfect for salads and sandwiches. Here are the steps to making it. Ingredients. Before starting your boiled mayonnaise, make sure that you have a boiler with you. The ingredients for this dish is a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of flour, a cup of cream or milk, 3 egg yolks, a quarter of a cup of melted butter, half a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of ground mustard, and half a cup of cider vinegar. Create the base. The base of the boiled mayonnaise is a combination of flour, sugar, ground mustard, and salt. Place these ingredients in a mixer and whisk them together until the mixture is thick enough to form ribbons as you whisk the ingredients. Add the butter into the base and continue to mix well. Mayo taste. To create the distinct mayonnaise taste, you will need cream or milk, egg yolks, and cider vinegar. Mix these ingredients in a separate bowl. This gives the color and taste that is uniquely mayonnaise. You can also substitute the milk with goat's milk if this is available. Goat's milk is a delicacy that will add a rich and earthy tone on the mayonnaise. Combine. Take the base and the milk, egg yolk, and vinegar combination. Slowly combine and mix the two bowls. Make sure that there are no streaks visible in the bowl once you have mixed these ingredients together. The streaks are a sign that you have not yet fully mixed the ingredients. Use a food processor if necessary, although some people can mix the mayonnaise by hand. Cook. To cook the mayonnaise, you will need to add water into the boiler. An inch or less of water is usually enough. Use the lowest heat setting for the boiler and let the water simmer lightly. Once it has begun to simmer, you can turn off the boiler. Turn it on again only when the water has stopped simmering. Cook the mayonnaise until the mixture becomes thick. This will require frequent stirring. Once the desired consistency is achieved, make sure that you remove the mayonnaise from the heat. Otherwise the mixture will harden. Season to taste. To finish off your boiled mayonnaise, Add paprika before letting the mayonnaise chill at room temperature. Serve alone on a separate dish for your salad, or combine with other oils and spices to create a dressing for your salads. When making mayonnaise, one of the most important techniques to remember is patience. You will not be able to make a thick and creamy mayonnaise if you rush the process or if you add more heat than necessary. Done carefully, however, your boiled mayo will be a hit.